Yeah, thank you, sir, for the great introduction. So, myself Vedan Ghate, and I'm passed out from 23 batch and completed graduation, as sir told you. So today I'm here you to deliver a presentation on the placement preparation. So how you should prepare your placements. Just before starting, I just want to know in which year you are currently. So can you please type in the chat box so that I can identify and guide according to that self. So if you are a first from first year, please type B dot E F1. If you are in second year, type B dot E second. So please tell me the fast so that we can start. If you are from final year, then you can also type B dot 4. If you are from MCA, MBA, then you can type according to that. Okay, most two people are from three. Okay, three people. Okay, four. Okay. Let's we start. Most of the people are from third year. So now you are in third year, and I think it's the great time to prepare for that placement. So I will just share my screen. Okay, is my screen visible? Someone please. Hello. Okay, okay. Yes. So let's start with the first slide. So I placed in 2022 April in the Cognizant Technology Solutions, and I prepare in 2021 for the Cognizant placement. The Cognizant is a dream company for me, and I prepare for that from starting, means from scratch. I even don't know how to prepare the aptitude, how to prepare the coding questions, how to prepare the interview skills, how to prepare the soft skills. Okay, so I have followed some approach here. So in today's webinar, there is an agenda. First, we will see what is a placement, what is the introduction about the different types of placements series. Means it's either off campus, on campus, either it's a referral, either you can get from LinkedIn. So there are different types. Then we will see the importance of placement. Then we will see the mastering interviews, means how you skill and how you crack the interview rounds. Then after that there are different stages to prepare. We have to follow the stage wise approach so that we can prepare in a better way. The Most of the things we left behind while we preparing the interviews or the test assessments. So then next we'll see the qualifications around in different placements. So most of the students will go through off campus, and there are different round in off campus and there are different round in on campus. So I have prepared the sources for you, and I have some PDF for planes 200 plus questions for technical rounds. Then different questions for HR and technical round. So then we will see the preparation of HR and behavior interview. This behavioral interview is a new concept in 2023 batch. Means it is following from some years, but it is now in trend for 20 to 23 batch. Then we will some look out the resume overview also, and in lastly we will go through towards the question and answers. So let's start. In my language, what is the placements? Okay, there are different types of mass recruiter companies. Okay, uh, means there are the mass recruiters means they will hire 20 plus students means in the bulk of students. Okay, so there is a different kind of approach for you to prepare the mass recruiters companies. Okay, their test patterns, their interview rounds are totally different. Okay, then there is a second type, which is a high packages companies. Okay, means that only 5 to 10 students. Okay, then 10 to 13 students, which are selected in the high package companies, and their packages is greater than 8 lpa. So in greater than 8 lpa means they are high package companies. Okay, there are startups companies, and according to their need, they will hire. Means sometimes they will hire only one student, or they will hire 20 students, or they will hire 15 students. There is no criteria they will set. According to their need, they will hire you. Okay, and now recently the hackathon competitions is there. Okay, what is mean by hackathon? The hackathon is basically the it is a competition in which there are some coding questions. You have to solve that coding questions, and there is a criteria set by that specific company. For example, suppose the cognizant has given a hackathon. Okay, and there are two coding questions in that, and you have to pass all the test cases. Okay, so all test cases means they have set the criteria that only those students are placed whose all the test cases should be passed. Okay, and sometimes they will check also the accuracy, plagiarism, and all that stuff. Okay, then there are for fifth type, which is a referrals. Means some of your brother, sister has provided the link, and through that link you have applied to their company, and you got selected for the next procedures. This is called as a referral procedures. Sometimes referrals are not going to happen in current market situation as we see. Okay, so the referrals are not going to happen this year. So next type is hiring competitions. Means recently the Flipkart 2.0 or Hexaware, Walmart, then different kinds of hiring competitions are there, and through that you have to present your project idea. Okay, means what is in your mind related to that topic, or you have to form a group of 3 to 4 people or individual, and then you have to submit the idea. And when you submit that idea, then you will going to you will going to pass that criteria. Means what is your importance of that topic, and based on that topic you will get a chance to represent the live coding competitions. Basically hiring competition is live coding competitions. Okay, next the LinkedIn. Through LinkedIn you can pass you can means apply for many of the companies. Okay, then on and off campus, we will discuss about them more in LinkedIn and hackathon competitions in further slides. Okay, next is the importance of placement preparation is as you all know, uh, according to me the selection in on campus is more beneficial for you students. Okay, so behind the reason is there is a huge market, huge competition in today's market. Okay, like in thousands of lakhs of students. Recently I applied for the Accenture. Okay, and in Accenture there were 800 or 900 students in one college, and their test is going to physical test. The screening test is totally online, but from 23 batch onwards they will conduct the test in the physical mode only. So in while you're doing your study in third year and fourth year, it's important for you to prepare in a right way. Okay, So why I'm saying this, because you're having a less competitions. Suppose we consider a computer class of third year, okay, and there are only 80 students in one class, okay. So your competition is less, and you have greater chances than off campus in your on campus. So I will suggest you to prepare in second year, means if your friends are there in join who are join, I will suggest you to prepare for from second year also. And now you are in third year, it's no problem. You can prepare a better way for your next placements. So you have to keep in mind that there is a huge competitive market, okay. Means if you are a master in Java and you know all the concepts from basic to advanced, okay, but uh, except you there are 10 more people who have done the government certificate or a company's recognized certificate. Means your competition is not with yourself, your competition is with your job market, okay. So and you have the uh, better opportunities in your college era. So I will suggest you to prepare right now, and I will guide you in the next slides how to prepare for that, okay. So before starting this, I want to just let you know how to you master the interview, okay. So before giving any interview, the preparation is the key. Means you have to prepare for a specific job interview. Suppose you have the interview on 18th of October, okay. Means 18th of October 2023. Then you should prepare from now, okay. If it is a technical interview, then you should prepare uh, all the technical stuffs which has mentioned in your resume, okay. If you mention your projects which you should implemented in Java, and you have done something in Python, you have something in C++, or you have something in AIML, so you should know each and every concept before you join the interview, okay. And the first impression is always matters, okay. If you don't know any answers, please don't say I don't know, okay. It will make the bad impression also. Instead of I don't know, you can use I do not sure about the answer, okay. Means you have read, but you are not surety about that answer. And in mastering the job interview, you have to chance the showcase your skills. Means whatever the unique way you have done, unique what we can say, the skills, then experience and achievements you have done during your academic journey, or uh, means extra competitions also, or extracurricular activities, you have the chance to tell in that technical round also. So next slide is we will now see the preparation stages also. In stage one, you have to uh, know the basic things, very basic things, okay. You have to clear with your thoughts, okay. Whether you are going to a higher study, or whether you are going to a 100% placements, okay. It should not done that you got a placement in Accenture, and you are going to a masters in UK, and
Vedant?
yes sir.
Yeah, sorry for interrupt. Because your screen is not getting shared. Your screen is sharing, but your presentation is not. Please.
Yes, is it visible sir?
No, also it is not.
Okay,
So one thing
just a
maybe.
second.
Uh,
Is it visible sir?
yes, no, it is fine.
Okay, 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 yes, thank you. Okay, so we will just let's I will let you know the what you should do in stage one. Okay. Firstly, you are clear with your thoughts. As I said, you either you want to go the masters or you want to go for placements. You are highly motivated and skillful. Uh, at least one of you know the programming language. Either it's a C++, Java, or Python, or any of the language. It's not compulsory to know the C++, Java, and Python. Either you can choose C, Ruby, Swift, any of them. Okay, but you know each and every concept in that language. I will give for example. Uh, my friend is applied for a Barclays company. Okay, you all know the Barclays company. Okay, then it's a banking company, and my friend is very confused about their technical skills because banking company needs a very skillful and strong technical persons. Okay, so in that interview, he prepare everything about Java. Everything means it's from vector, queue, stack, then array, then it's very basic. From basic to advanced, he learn and he done crash course for Java also. But in that technical round, the interviewer asked to my friend that what is GDP growth of India. Then it should not be very particular about the language, and you should also know the uh, market situations also. Then what is going on in our India country, then what are the employment means employment percentage, unemployed percentage. You should all know these steps also. Then third thing is you should be updated with resume. If anyone is doing your crash course or something skill advancements courses, so you should update them when you complete that course, or when you if you're doing your means if you're doing a any project, is why either a self project or a final year project, it doesn't matter, but you should update your resume time to time. Why I'm saying that, because updating your resume is getting touch in your resume. Suppose you miss one thing in resume, and you open that resume after 2 to 3 months, and in that 2 to 3 months you have applied many of the companies. Then you you think that why my resume is not selecting. So I will suggest update with resume, so that you will keep in touch with the resume things. Means it's a grammar mistake, or it's a skill, experience, then achievements in that stuff. Okay, then I will suggest that you should connect with your friends and college training and placement department. uh, every college will give the opportunities according to their means what we can say, according to their friend circles, or according to the company relations. And uh, rather than the college training and placement, you should connect with your friends also, because sometimes your friends is placed in one company, and then your friend has got a chance to provide the referral for you. So you should be connected with that friend, so you can get the better opportunity. Okay, and you should confirm about the relocation and no relocation. The relocate means if the company is situated in the Bangalore or US, UK, so you should be prepared for relocation. Okay, especially it is especially for girls, uh, because sometimes what happen in our college, when UK company is came, and they told us to relocate in the UK for 3 months of internship, and after that 3 months, you should be converted into the full time employment. But some of friends told me that when we complete internship, then can we get a offer letter or not, and if the offer letter is cancelled, then where to go next. Okay, I will discuss this later also. but you should confirm and firm about the decisions as relocate and not relocate. Okay, so the next slide is there is a stage 2 also. In that stage, I think everyone is having your LinkedIn account. Okay, if you don't have any LinkedIn account, please make sure to open right now. Okay, after that, after this webinar, because LinkedIn account will help surely for your job, and not only for job, but you have a greater chances to connect with the company HRs and company employees. Okay, so that you can get in touch for the better opportunities in future also. Or you and in market touch, you should know about each and every company's current status, current growth, current loss, profit, how any specific company is going in loss, how specific company is going in profit. For that stuff, you should be active on LinkedIn account. And I will suggest, please prepare to separate email IDs. Okay, why I'm saying that, sometimes the frauds are going to be happen. Okay, uh, one fraud is happen with me. uh, it's about the HCL company, and I applied HCL company in 1 month before, and I got a mail in next 15 days that you are being selected, this is your welcome letter. Okay, but in that welcome letter they said that please pay this amount for your internship duration, then we will give the amount written in the form of stipend. Okay, so I will clear about that. No company, no one, any one of the company is not going to pay for you. Okay, means there is no, means what we can say, no rule that company should tell to you that you should pay this amount, you should pay this amount for this, you should pay 50,000 for this. Yes, there is a bond. Yes, bond is a different concept, and paying the amount is the different concept. Okay, yes, you can sign the bond if you wish to join that company for 2 years or 3 years. There is a bond where you have to sign a agreement between you and company. If you want to leave that company in after joining within the 6 month 2 months, then you have to pay that amount and you can leave that company. Okay, then the third point is applying for companies. Okay, if you are in the third year, then I will suggest you to apply for off campus also. And if you are in the fourth year, please do not look for app off campus. Rather, you will focus on your on campus preparations. Okay, on campus companies. Why I'm saying, for fourth years means, if you are in the fourth year and your pass out year is 2024, then we will get a better opportunities from on campus. Okay, and for off campus there will be not very much hiring for 2023 as from on campus also. Okay, first company will go on the on campus. Okay, then they will come, they will post the link for the off campus also. Okay, so for third year students I will suggest go through the on campus and off campus also. Okay, next point is upgrading and continuous learning. Okay, you should be not means sticky with your career journey. Okay, means you have learned the Java in first year, you have learned C++ in second year, now you are learning the AIML. It's not, means the information is not sufficient to crack the placement. Okay, you should develop the projects, either is a mini project or major project, but you should upgrade yourself from apart from that career knowledge. Okay, uh, I will suggest you to do the Java course or AIML course or Python course. As I see, the CS Codenz is giving some courses for you, and I have seen that many students are posting on LinkedIn that they have prepared this task, they have done this task very successfully. It's a great thing for us because you are doing these things for yourself as your own. Okay, so we will move to next slides. There is a stage which is the third stage. In that third stage, you should know about the different interview tips and tricks. Okay, there are some tips and tricks you should follow for
So
your interview.
Vedant,
Okay, yes sir.
Vedant, hello Vedant.
Yes sir.
Yeah, sites. Yes, yes. Now it is okay. Now it is okay. But actually, so before the screen is not getting. So that's why. Sorry.
Okay, it is visible.
Yeah, yes. Now it is visible.
Okay, okay, yes, thank
Yes, now it is good. Yes, Vedant. Vedant.
Okay.
Yeah, done.
Hello? Okay, okay. So the second point is assessment pattern and schedule. Okay, you all should aware about the different company assessment pattern, their previous year questions, and how the questions is structured in such a way that you should solve in specific particular time. If the test is having the duration of 1 hour and there are four questions, then how you should manage that questions. These all things you should know before applying the any company. Okay, and third point is test questions and revision. Okay, I will suggest if you apply for a company, okay, and the company has a pattern of aptitude test. Okay, first they will conduct aptitude test. Let's consider Accenture is hiring. Okay, uh, then their hiring process consider the aptitude test, technical round, and HR round. Okay, so it's a better way to go on Google and search the aptitude test for Accenture and questions for previous year. Okay, so means what we can say, preparing for previous year questions is better to learn from scratch. Okay, so that it will help. Most of the companies will take their previous year questions and put in the current assignments. Okay, and the revision is also important. Okay, if you applied for a company and given the test in October and you are not preparing after that test, okay, and or you are not revising that test, okay, so it's a not better approach. So you should always revise what you have topic covered, what you are not covered, where you got wrong answer, where you got correct answer. uh, it is specially for coding questions, because aptitude questions, verbal questions, they are changing day to day. Okay, means there is a variety of questions available on the Google. Then you can use the RS Agarwal book also for the aptitude preparation, and you can use the Geeks for Geeks for coding questions. There are a lot of coding questions are there. And then you can take the help of YouTube also. There are different YouTube lectures which are provided, which is don't take a course on YouTube. Okay, either I will suggest please go on YouTube and type how to solve coding questions. Okay, you will get all the videos related to that. Okay, don't specific about the language. Means you're searching about please suggest me a Java better course. No, this is not a thing. Then different course providing platforms you should also know. Means Udemy, then Coursera, then Allison.com. They are the different course providing platforms. You can do the different courses from that. And one more thing is TCS Digital. I think right. Yes. Uh, I'm not sure about that, but TCS is having their platform, and they are providing the different courses like email etiquettes, then interview questions, interview skills, then uh, test questions, test patterns, and there are different courses in TCS platforms. You can also get that. They get that from the website. Okay. Next week, as I see, there are different rounds for the placements, and this is not specific about company. They will change their requirements according to the business needs. Okay, the first type is MCQs. Okay, there are MCQs related to aptitude, verbal, reading comprehensions. Okay, means the first round is basically the aptitude, verbal, reading, and comprehensions. When you will get passed in that round, then you will move to the next coding round. The coding round is not compulsory for specific company. Means they will not put that coding round into their assessment, into their hiring procedures. Okay, so in aptitude, I think there are 30 questions, and there are 30 minutes. If there are 60 questions, there are 60 minutes. According to that, the time will vary and the questions will vary. It is not specific about only 60 questions will ask in Accenture placements. Sometimes they will ask only 30 questions. Okay, the next step is technical MCQs. Technical MCQs is related to the specific languages like Java, data structure, database, SQL, MySQL, C++, Python, AIML. The technical MCQs are means suppose there is a class called students. Okay, and how to create that object of that class in Java, and there are multiple options of creating the object in Java. Okay, so you should know the specific and right answer of that coding technical MCQs. Okay, and the coding questions are basically from data structures and algorithms, stack and tree, and also sometimes the vector, then iterator, then list, then hash list, hash map. There are different concepts. When you do the Java course from basic to advanced, you will get to know what are the different concepts. But it's a 99% guarantee that the DSC question and stack and tree questions are there. Okay, so you should be prepared for DSA questions and stack and tree questions. And type C is generally means most of the companies will put the coding questions in only two coding questions. Okay, means sometimes the company will not give your aptitude, uh, uh, not put the aptitude round. They will only put the coding round. Okay, and in that coding round, there either there will be a technical MCQs or one coding question, or either there will be only two coding questions, depending on the uh, depending on students applied for that company or requirement of that company. Means they require the immediate joiners also. Okay, or they require the 2025 batch, then they will put lots of stuff in their assessment. Means 4 to 5 coding questions, aptitude round, technical MCQ, and all that material. Okay, then after this assessment, these all are assessments. Means type A, B, and C are eliminator rounds. Okay, qualifier round means if you pass the aptitude round. Okay, if you pass the aptitude round, then and then only you will move to the type B, means coding round. Okay, Sometimes if the aptitude round is not there, only you have to pass the coding round, then your communication assessment or GD will be happen. And after that communication test and group discussion, you will give to technical interview. Then technical interview, you have to give the HR interview. Okay, the this way the company will hire, most of the companies will hire. Okay, next round. So for technical means for first round, type A, B, and C. I suggest the different sources means technical data, technical concepts means Java MCQs or C++ MCQs. I will suggest to go for Gigs for Gigs. Go on the homepage of Gig for Gigs. Okay, on the left or right corner you will get your all the materials about the different languages, MCQs, and all that. There are differently Java point, Java T point, then W3 school also is there. So for technical, I will suggest better to learn from GFG, Gigs for Gigs. Okay. Then second is for coding. Please there is a huge chance for you that if you will build your hacker rank and lead code profile strong, then you have the great chances to get the first priority in the placement. Okay. uh, my friend is there. He's doing the coding from the six standards, and now he has a 5 or 4 star in the hacker rank, and he got selected in the 8 LPA, 10 LPA, and 12 LPA package. Means he got a 3 offer from the company. Okay, and he joined lastly in the Barclays. Okay, so I will suggest, please make the habit that you will solve at least one problem a day. Okay, from the HackerRank platform. And once you put means once you solve that problem, please go to the LinkedIn and take a screenshot of the HackerRank platform and post that, so that other connections will reach out to you, and you will get the better solution before you have means you have typed that solution according to you. Okay. The next is aptitude and cognitive. There are different, as I said, RS Agarwal book is there. Then for aptitude and cognitive assessment, indiabix.com website is there. The Indiabix is very great website. You will get the variety of questions. Means there are 1,000 plus, 2,000 plus questions are there. Okay, so you will prepare that. And for DBMS, the NESO Academy is a YouTube YouTube channel. So the NISA Academy, I also prepare. I also take help of NISA Academy from YouTube for database concepts, and currently now I'm learning the SQL concepts from them. Then we will move to the second round. That is a technical round. Okay. Then in technical route, if the core companies are there, they will only subject oriented. Means if you are from mechanical background, if you are from electrical background, if you are from ENTC background, then the company will only ask only those questions which are related to your what we can say field. Okay, apart from field, they will not communicate with you. Okay. And in IT jobs, there are different DSA questions, means stack, queue, linked list. These are the most important topic in data structures. Then the database questions in which are related to MySQL or SQL, means they will give the scenario, and you have to type the query or write down the query on the pen and paper. Then there are different project question also. Whatever you have done in your academic, and what projects you have done and which are mentioned in the resume. So be aware about your projects, and you should know each and every concept from your projects. Okay. Then the problem solving situations they may ask in technical rounds, means suppose there is a employee staff, and means different problem solving in situations, means they will give us a situation, and according to that you have to react and give the accurate and optimal solutions. And it's not a the solution is not fixed, but you have tried to give the optimal best optimal solution. As we see in the data structures that uh, the time complexity is there, also the space complexity, and that kind of questions are also getting asked in technical round. Once you get technical round finished, then it's easy to crack a company, because in HR and behavior round, the traditional questions are they get asked. Okay, we will see in further slides. Okay, but the important thing is you have to pass the technical interview. Okay, so technical interview is having, means some company will conduct a two technical round, some companies will conduct only one technical round, and that's it. Okay, so according to company, please get in touch with your TPO how many technical rounds are there. Okay, so you will get to prepare, you will get the chance to prepare according to that. Then the third round is managerial, which is also called as HR round. Then there are different traditional questions like tell me about yourself, where you see in your future, what is your goal after you leave your company, leave this company. Okay, all that stuff. Then there are management questions like they will give your situations and you have to answer according to that. Okay, means suppose the the project members are not working properly, what you should do. Okay, then if the project deadline is coming nearer, then what should you do. Okay, these types of management questions are expecting the interviewer from you. Okay, uh, it according to me, it's easy to crack HR round rather than technical round, because the technical concepts are we are not sure at the time of interview. Okay, we have read all that stuff. Okay, but we are very expert in HR rounds also, because sometimes the technical questions question answers may get wrong. Okay, but in HR round there is a no right and wrong questions, wrong answers. Only is the you have to impress the interviewer. Okay, uh, and after before attempting this HR round, please make a habit of use the words like we, our team, our organization, uh, yes we can form, then yes we can do, yeah, like that. Okay, so this will give a friendly discussion about the HR round people. Okay, so there is a three, means three steps. You have to practice the questions. Okay, means for HR rounds, as I say, there is a traditional questions. So if there is a questions is tell me about yourself. Okay, make a make a notepad and type the perfect answers according to you. Okay, and you have to learn that answer, means not learn and by heart, but you have to keep in mind that when the interviewer asks about tell me about yourself. Okay, every time my answer will be this. Okay, so then next question is what are your strengths and weakness. Your strengths and weakness uh, are fixed, which you have mentioned in your resume. Okay, because your resume is there um, from for HR person also. Okay, so if your strength is a Java coding, and you are saying that my weakness is Java coding, this should not happen. Okay, you should be firm and confirm about your strengths and weaknesses. And if you are saying your strengths, be sure that you will get a reverse questions on that also. Okay, and be prepared for that also. Before attempting HR round and behavioral interviews, you should research about that company. Okay, means if the company is established in 2012, who is the CEO of the company, who is the currently market share of that company, uh, how many employees are working, where their offices, in which country there are offices situated of that company. All that questions you have to research for that company. You can take the help of Google, or you can directly go to the specific company website, and on that company website you can get all that things. Okay, take practice personality and personality test. Okay, and in today's in today's hiring procedures, the most of the companies will take the personality test also, where they will give your gaming questions or different scenario questions, and you have to give the uh, answers in the form of expressions, or you have to type the answers, or you have to type the different paragraphs, so that your personalities can be identified. Okay, means how much percent you are angry, how much percent you should be calm in specific situations, how should you social, how should you realistic, how should you practical in different situations. Okay, all that personality test. Then there is a tip, and there is a tip for second and third round. Means you have to crack first second round, that is a technical interview, and third round will be happen. Always remember, the first impression is the last impression. If you uh, don't know any answer in the first half of the interview round, then I suggest, I already told that, please use I'm not sure about that answer. Okay, uh, if if you really don't know answer, means you are going, means you are giving the interview in the Java, and the interviewer ask about your JavaScript AIML questions, then simply say no, I am not aware of that language. Rather, I will I will learn after this interview, and I will try my best in that language. Okay, but simply say no. Okay, if you really don't know. Okay, if you partially know about that language and you're you are saying no, I am don't know, but this should not be happen. Okay. In HR round, the ball is always in your court. Okay, uh, i I'm having means 250 plus, I applied 250 plus companies. Okay, so I'm having means I observe that those who crack the technical round, they whatever the persons which they crack the technical round, are almost all persons are selected. Okay, means the HR round is means only for friendly purposes. Okay, means uh, this is also done because that the sometimes the students will rejected from HR rounds also, sometimes done. But when you crack the technical round, you will be automatically crack the HR rounds also. Then do not be hurry about the questions. Okay, take the time of 2 to 3 seconds or 5 to 10 seconds to answer. Or if you don't know about any answer, okay, and means you're not recalling immediately, simply say, sir, please give me the 5 seconds, or please give me a minute. Okay, but don't hurry to give the answers. Okay, this will be the bad impact of the technical and HR rounds also. Then I will give a resume overview also. Okay, the resume is the key thing. Okay, means if you are applying for the off campus, your resume should be shortlisted, and you have, if you are means all the all the third year and fourth year students. Okay, okay, all the third year and fourth year students are the freshers, means you are going to apply for a fresher position. Okay, so your resume should be crisp and clear. Okay, it should not be exceeded for 1 to 2 page. Okay, if your resume is greater than 2 page, please update your resume, and it's 100% original with surety. Means if you don't know about the JavaScript, okay, and you are mentioning that I have done the certification in JavaScript, definitely in technical round you will get questions on JavaScript. Okay, so please remove that thing also if you are not sure about that language. Okay, so the question is, can I copy others resume? This is not means copy, rather I can say take a refer. Okay, refer others resume to means they're verbal, means what are the different words, or what are the different things they have mentioned, okay. But don't copy their resume, okay. Make your resume unique and crisp and clear, okay. The necessary things to be there, like the means compulsory things are summary, means you should give your overall summary about your career journey, then which role you are expert in, means which technology you are expert in, okay. Then the objective, what is your objective in future, okay. Then what are you which skills you are which skills you have masters in, okay. What are the different projects you have done throughout the academic, okay. What are the certifications is optional, but I will suggest please do not exclude certification, do not include certification, rather include your work experience, okay. It is either internship or a training, it doesn't matter, but include internship, include work experience rather than certifications. Because when you are going to ask the questions, okay, the interviewer will uh, find the find us projects, for find your internship, find your training, okay. And according to that, the person will ask the questions on that stuff, okay. Then it's it is a better way to choose the right template, okay. Means if you are taking the template from your friend, your if you are taking a template from some of the placed already placed students, okay, this should not be done, because this will make the bad habit to you. Please try to create your own template. There are different templates available in Microsoft Word, and there are different websites, that is resume.io, then job seeker, which are providing the different template. But some templates are paid versions. Please do not pay any amount. Try to use a free template, okay. So if you follow these points, okay, I will definitely guarantee that your resume will be shortlisted. Every time when I applied to 50 plus company, almost 170 or 160 plus companies is shortlisted my resume, okay. And currently I'm experiencing one thing. uh, the Banzu is a company which is from Bangalore, okay. And they are having in the technologies in the sales and marketing, okay. But they are approaching to me that sir, please can you join to us, because you are having experience in the sales marketing internship. But I given the answer that no ma'am, because I'm as you see that my summary is, and I have mentioned only that a software development looking for a fresher role. So you should be clear and clear with your things, okay, in which field you should be go, okay. Then for we are moving to the final slides. Before starting your placement preparations, there are some questions for yourself. You should be asked these questions for yourself, okay. What are the primary skills required for any job, to be it technical or non-technical, okay. There are no different skills, okay. Means company to company these skills will vary. Okay, means suppose the Accenture is looking for associate software developer. Definitely, they will look for Java or C++ developers. Why they are looking for HTML, CSS? Yes, they will look for HTML, CSS, but the role is different. Okay, when we consider the software developer, okay, the developing languages are HTML, CSS also, and the Java also. But they have mentioned the Java language. Okay, so yes, this is the means primary skills includes the basic things. Okay, means either the basic things in Java, either the basic things in Python, either the basic things in machine learning. Okay, either the basic things in data structures also. Okay, tree, node, then graph. Okay, these are the basic things. Then the second question is what to choose, a good package or a good company. Okay, uh, I will suggest you should choose a good company. Okay, yes, you will get a good package. It's depending upon you. Okay, what you are in what. format or in what kind of perspective you are looking, okay, for towards the placements. But I always look a good company. In third year, the Cognizant came to us and they said that you have a 6.75 LPA package, and I see that package. Okay, I don't know about the Cognizant company while applying the Cognizant. Okay, but I see that package. Yes, this company will provide in 6.75. Then I will apply. Uh, I apply immediately. Then I applied, and after that I know that. Oh, so there is a not work-life balance in the Cognizant. It should not be happen. Okay, you should be either choose the good package or good company. Every company is good about their package and good about their work-life balance. Okay, so you don't need to think in third year and fourth year. You just choose every company as your placement. Okay, means if the if specific company is giving 2.50 LPA package, and if the company is giving 3 LPA package, okay, don't see on the package, apply for both of the companies. Okay, we then after applying we will see what will be happen in the next. Okay, the third question is, in what basis company hire students? Okay, uh, depending upon the market situations and the market need. Okay, the company will hire the students. Okay, suppose the Accenture is doing the project of medical. Okay, and they are looking for some fresher students. Okay, but some what we can say, some of the groups are don't having the sufficient members to complete that project. So Accenture will hire on that basis that only medical related knowledge students will hire. Okay, means suppose they will hire 5 students from medical, or 2 students from engineering, 3 students from medical. Okay, this this is based upon the company's criteria, means what they have decided in their C under their target. Then how to stand in the competitive market? Okay, this is very easy, because competitive market is nothing much as we say. It's a huge market obviously, but you have to stay in the unique way. What are others doing you should not do, you have to do in the unique way. Okay, we all have a solution, we all have standard solutions, but you should give a different solution which is effective from other solution. Okay, then what are the skills that we must learn to place in a dream company? Okay, there is a concept called dream company. Means a dream company is a Google, Amazon, some of is having the Facebook, some of having the Twitter, then some of are having what we can say, Instagram. Yeah, these are called as a dream company. Okay, so there are different skills. uh, I will suggest to go on the Google and uh, please try to understand what are the skills and what are the uh, way to achieve the dream company. Okay, then which one is the better, product based or service based company? There is no company which is which is a skillful in the product based and which is a skillful in the service based. Okay, they are at their own positions. Okay, so I don't suggest that or I do not refer that the product based company is better or the service based company is better. Okay, both of the companies are having the good hiring, and the workload of that both of the company is same. uh, Product, either it is a product based or service based. Okay, so you can choose any one of them. There is a no suggestion from my side. You should choose only product based, you should choose only service based. Okay, then which are the main courses to complete before placement? Okay, uh, it is depending upon you what you have mentioned in your resume. According to that, please start that courses or take the help of CS Codens Academy, uh, because they are providing a very great courses. Okay, because I have seen their students that they are completing their task in the proper manner. Okay, so I will suggest please decide in the third year also and start your courses now, and don't take too much load of the courses. Okay, try to uh, implement the so implement the solutions on your own. Do not copy paste or do not look at others. Okay, then uh, this is from my side. Okay, if you have any questions from your side, okay, you can ask the questions. And if you really like my if you really like my webinar, you can follow my LinkedIn profile. And please don't uh, please fill out the feedback form also. Okay, thank you sir, thank you ma'am. This is from my side. Okay, hello. Hello.
Yes, Vedant.
Yes sir, I have done from my side.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Uh,
Yes, yes.
yes.
Yeah. Do you have any queries regards this session? You can
Yes.
ask to raise this question.
Yes. If anybody is having the questions, you can chat in the chat box, or you can open the mic. And please fill out the feedback form and follow on the LinkedIn profile.
Yeah, Vedant, who is that guy? Your friend who bad 12 LPA. So I think you told, huh?
Uh, no. His name is I think Prasenjit Bansode.
Prasanachit.
Ah, yes, Prasenjit.
Yeah, I
That
know
that
Prasanachit.
yes, that speaks guy.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes. He
Yesterday he is
applied.
gone.
Yes. Now he's doing their job in recently they have joined.
Okay.
Yes.
What about Rudraj?
Ruturaj, Ruturaj, who is surname?
Surname, I think. I don't know exactly the surname. I think Shinde. Shinde?
Yes. But
Hello?
no, I'm not in touch with Ruturaj.
Okay.
Hello, excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Ah,
whenever.
Sir, good evening, sir.
yes, good morning.
As a fresher, to which companies I have to apply my job, sir?
As a fresher,
Yes, sir.
huh? Okay. Please repeat the question.
As I am fresher, to
Okay.
which companies I have to apply my job?
It is not a specific company. Okay, means whether your on campus is going in boom, means you are receiving very good opportunities from on campus. Please go through on campus. Uh, or if you are not getting in more companies through on campus, I will suggest go off campus, means Accenture, Cognizant, and please search the startup companies also, because as comparative to means popular companies like Cognizant and Accenture, the startup companies will hire this time also in the more students. So as a fresher,
Yeah.
yes, as a fresher, please go off campus also.
Yeah, whenever అన్నా మీరేనా అడిగింది
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. నేను సార్
Right, right. ఏ కాలేజ్ మీరు
గవర్నమెంట్ పాలిటెక్నిక్ అనపర్తి సార్.
ఓకే డన్ సో యాక్చువల్లీ ఏమవుతుందంటే సో కమ్ టు ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ ఎండ్ అంటే లైక్ ఇప్పుడు నార్త్ సైడ్ అనుకోండి సో దేర్ వెల్ సెటిల్డ్ యాక్చువల్లీ సో ఇంకోటి ఏంటి అంటే, సో నార్త్ సైడ్ మన సైడ్ లాగా ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అనేవి తక్కువ ఉండవు. ఇట్స్ వెరీ హ్యూజ్. అక్కడ ఏంటి అంటే రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అనేది చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, జనాలు తక్కువ ఉంటారు అనమాట. సో అందుకోసం ఏంటంటే మన సైడ్ వాళ్ళకి చాలా ఎక్కువ స్కోప్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ అందుకోసం మన వాళ్ళకి ఇన్ కేస్ వచ్చినా సరే మన సైడ్ వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళరు. బట్ అదే సినారియో కమ్ టు దాని రివర్స్ బ్యాక్ సౌత్ సైడ్ చూస్తే కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. క్విట్ ఆపోజిట్ లో ఉంటుంది. లైక్ మన జనాభా అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అనేది తక్కువ ఉంటాయి అనమాట. సో అందుకోసం ఏంటి అంటే, సో అకార్డింగ్ టు తన చెప్పిన పర్స్పెక్టివ్ ప్రకారం అనేది ప్రతి చోట ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ లైక్ అప్లికబుల్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. లైక్ యాజ్ ఎ ఫ్రెషర్ గా మీకు ఏ ఆపర్చునిటీ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ కంపెనీలోకి వచ్చినా సరే మీరు వెళ్ళిపోతే బెస్ట్. సో ఈ కంపెనీ అని లేదు. బికాస్ ఎందుకంటే యాజ్ ఎ ఫ్రెషర్ గా ఫస్ట్ దే విల్ చార్జ్ యూ లెస్. మీకు చాలా తక్కువ అమౌంట్ వాళ్ళు పే చేస్తారు. సో ఆబ్వియస్లీ గ్రాడ్యువల్ గా గో త్రూ ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఇంక్రీస్. So finally, my suggestion is to start